Okay, look at this giant screw in this Nissan Rogue. Now the question is, are we still able to fix this tire? Absolutely. We're gonna take that big screw out, we're gonna break the tire down and put a nice patch in it. That will take care of the tire. This is on a Nissan Rogue. Tire size is 225, 65, 17. Okay, today we're over in Miramar. Over in Miramar today, Sinclair Mobile Services. We do mobile tire service, mobile mechanic service. Broward and Miami, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We also provide mobile mechanic service, heavy duty vehicle, light duty vehicle, gas engines, car engines, diesel engines, Sinclair Mobile Services. Let's get this baby fixed up.